UGC NET is not only for toppers. With the proper guidance, beginners can also clear it. Do you want to become an assistant professor but you feel confused about UGC NET? Don't worry, I will explain everything step by step. Hello everyone, this is Gauri from Intellectual Literature. Are you confused about what UGC NET is? How to start preparation? Which paper to choose or whether you are eligible or not? Then this video is especially for you. First of all, what is UGC NET? UGC NET stands for University Grants Commission National Eligibility Test. This exam is conducted by NTA, that is the National Testing Agency. The main purpose of UGC NET is to check whether a candidate is eligible to become an assistant professor or to get JRF, that means Junior Research Fellowship. Now, who can apply for UGC NET? If you are completed postgraduate or the final year of your post-graduation, you are eligibility to apply. So, even if you are still studying MA or MSc, you can start preparing for UGC NET from now itself. Many beginners think they should wait till finishing PG, but that is not necessary. Early preparation is always helpful. Next, let us understand the papers in UGC NET. UGC NET has two papers. Paper 1 is called Teaching and Research Aptitude. This paper is common for all students. Paper 2 is the subject paper. What your post-graduation subject, that is. So, you will write paper 1 plus your chosen subject in paper 2. Now, let us talk about the exam pattern. UGC NET is a computer-based exam. All questions are multiple choice questions. There is no negative marking, which is the biggest advantage. Both paper 1 and 2 are conducted in single session. Now comes the most important part of beginners. How should you start UGC NET preparation? Step 1. Download the latest syllabus. Don't start studying without understanding the syllabus. Step 2. Understand the exam pattern and question style. In PYQ analysis, start with your wrong answers. Why this answer is not correct? I already uploaded how to solve PYQs. Please go and watch that video. Step 3. Start with basics. Especially for paper 1, start slowly and clearly. Please remember, UGC NET preparation is not about studying too many books. It is about understanding concepts clearly and revising regularly. Let me also tell you some common mistakes beginners make. Many students start preparation without checking the syllabus. Some students buy too many books and get confused. Others compare their journey with toppers and lose confidence. Please avoid these mistakes. Finally, I want to say one important thing. UGC NET is not about intelligence. UGC NET is about consistency and smart preparation. If you study a little every day and revise properly, you can definitely clear this exam. If you found this video helpful, please do like this video and comment your thoughts. Subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.